So in this home today, we're going to be taking out this old hatch and flimsy old ladder, and we're going to replace it with this nice Fakro wooden loft ladder. Now we start by taking out the old hatch, taking away the surround, because we need to actually extend the hatch out to 1,200 millimeters by 600 millimeters. So we start by cutting the timbers in the loft and then supporting those. These normally come out fairly easily. Now, one of the jobs here is obviously to support the hatch. Now, I don't show it in this video, but we run a timber across the back and we put some big 100 millimeter screws in, so it's all solid when the new ladder goes in. Then we just remove the plasterboard between the timbers. It's a Fakro LWK Comfort. Probably one of the best ladders out there for domestic purposes, wood ladders. They're incredibly strong. I've been using them now for approximately about 9 years now. They come with an insulated hatch and draft excluder. They all come at 2.8 meters high, so we have to just cut the legs down, and they've got some nice rubber feet that go on the bottom. Now here I'm cutting some architrave to go around the edge of it. You might notice where the old hatch is, it's left a mark on the ceiling. Now, we don't decorate, so the customer needs to paint that afterwards. And here we are. Now, these ladders are fantastic because they're really light. They've got a proper lock on the front that sucks the lid up into the actual hole and then makes a seal around the hatch with the draft excluder. They take up to 150 kilos. And they're made out of a high quality pine. Or on the back here where the steps are, all the steps are dovetailed in really neatly and strong. They're not just glued in and screwed in. And the hatch is insulated as well. You do get a handrail with it. Hit like and subscribe if you like this type of video. We've got plenty more on our channel. If you have any questions about your loft boarding, loft insulation, loft ladders, loft windows, please give us a shout at Head Loft Ladders. Thanks for watching.